Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video session we will discuss about a DML command. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. DML command is used for modifying, inserting and deleting record from the table. DML command, that is insert, update and delete. Insert command is used to insert a new row in a table. The syntax of the insert command: insert into table name. After that we have to specify the column name, that is column name 1, column name 2, values 1, value 2. For example, suppose that I have a one table, that is user master, and I want to insert a new record into user master table. That is insert into. After that we have to specify the table name, that is user master. After that we have to specify the column name, that is user id, username and address. And after that values, that is 1 for user id and Rohit is username and Delhi is address. This command will insert a new record into table. The main purpose of the insert command is to insert a new record into table. Update command is used to modify the existing record of the table. The syntax of the update command: update table name, set column name 1 equal to value 1 where condition. For example, I want to update the username. For that I will use a update command, that is update user master, set username equal to John where user id equal to 1. The main purpose of the update command to update the existing record of the table. Delete command is used to delete the existing record from the table. The syntax of the delete command: delete from table name. After that we have to specify the where condition if you want to delete a specific record of the table. For example, I have a one table, that is user master. I want to delete the record from the table of the user which user id equal to 1. For that I will use a command, that is delete from user master where user id equal to 1. This is a practical session of all these commands. Thank you so much for watching this video.